special. No, this is not episode 23. I'm your host Boris. Let's see the contestants. The first contestant is Wolfooish. Yes, this episode will get annoying. Next we have uolliaC. And the third contestant is the Cookie Monster. Triple annoying. I'll explain the rules. Right ungrounded, wrong grounded, blah blah blah. Let's get to the first question. When is Christmas Day celebrating? If you know the answer, buzz in.
In the uolliaC.
No uolliaC, the answer is not what you just said. You are grounded for 15 years.
Is it the cookie?
No Cookie Monster, the answer is not cookie. That doesn't make sense. You are grounded for 15 years.
The answer Potato Day.
No Wolfooish, the answer is not Potato Day. You are grounded for 15 years. The answer is December 25th. How come you guys didn't know? Let's go to the second question. What is the usual color of the Santa's elves?
I'm going to eat elves and they taste so yummy with my friends and with Santa Claus.
No uolliaC, this is not a color. You are grounded for 30 years.
Is it the cookie?
No Cookie Monster, the answer is not cookie. That's not a color. You are grounded for 30 years.
The answer Potato.
No Wolfooish, the answer is not potato. This is not a color. You are grounded for 30 years. None of you got the question correct. The answer is green. Let's move on to the next question. What holiday did the Grinch try to steal?
I'm going to the Greenland to meet Grinch and steal my soon with my elf. My voice is Jill.
No uolliaC, stop with this gibberish. You are grounded for 50 years.
Is it the cookie?
No Cookie Monster, there is no holiday named Cookie. You are grounded for 50 years.
The answer Potato Holiday.
No Wolfooish, there is no holiday named Potato. You are grounded for 50 years. You actually don't know, guys. The answer is Christmas. Let's go to the commercial break. We'll be right back after these messages.
Hey, you are Christmas for Ajchik Fukfalkjalpagand GH years. Go to your P Mama Polish right new.
Oh me good how dare ground man like Polska, that's it, grousenies for 15 pudged for years.
Has this ever happened to you?
Yay, I messed up.
Worry no more. You can call 385-294-6107 for a better way of your house. That's how the room would look.
Oh no. This graveyard is scary. No.
The Horror in New Year's Eve. Coming to the theaters in December 31st.
Welcome back to Get Ungrounded Trivia Late Christmas Special. Let's go to the next question. What do bad kids get for Christmas?
Strawberry sheet cake.
No uolliaC, the answer is not strawberry sheet cake. You are grounded for 100 years.
Is it the cookie?
No Cookie Monster, stop with the cookie. You are grounded for 100 years.
The answer Potato.
No Wolfooish, the answer is not potato. You are grounded for 100 years.
I'm going to drink sheet cake milk and pee in my lungs.
No uolliaC, you can't answer the second time. You are grounded for extra 100 years. No uolliaC, I will not allow you to answer the third time. You are grounded for extra 100 years again. I will not quit this time, but it's the last question. Since I'm tired of uolliaC buzzing a lot, what is the snack that we give for Santa?
Is it the cookie?
Yes, Cookie Monster. The answer is cookie. That's the first time that somebody got ungrounded in this episode. You are ungrounded for 500 years. That's the end of Get Ungrounded Trivia Late Christmas Special. Cookie Monster is the only contestant that got ungrounded. I wish for everyone have a good day and stay ungrounded.